Okay, my darling Brompton, it's in the suitcase already. So now it's time to pack the rest. Let's do it. And please, I'm leaving tomorrow, so if you do remember something that I forgot to put on, please put in the comment. Well, my darling Brompton, it's all packed. Now, I have to put it aside, things I'm gonna take with me, especially for this trip. I'm taking extra EasyWheel, that's the original ones. I don't know, maybe something happened with the EasyWheel. That will be the first time I'm traveling with that suspension block. I don't think anything will happen, but who knows. Gotta take it. I do have already two tubes. One tube always stays next to the pump inside of my bag in the saddle, and another tube, do you know where I put it? When you open the frame, the Brompton frame, the short side, that's where we put the mechanics, the tubes, right? And the other one, you can put a tube in it. So there are two tubes, and this one will be the third. I'm taking the H-clamp because I don't know, you can break it and it's too rigid. So gotta take it. This here, it's a must. You never go out in a trip without this. You know what this is, right? It's just the cover, the Brompton cover, and it's so practical because it's the one that you put around, you know. And sometimes you need to cover your Brompton to get inside places that regular you could never go inside with the bicycle. So always take this here, and this here, it's a special tube. I was in Germany and my front block was getting loose all the time. So a German mechanic did this here for me. So cool. He got a regular one, like this one, you know, and cut this part out because I couldn't tighten it. So with this one I can, so I'm taking with it. The rest is just to fix the tubes, but that's just for the Brompton. Okay, this part here is only for the Brompton. Now I'm gonna show you the things that I always take with me for any bike tour. I'm sweating because I noticed that it gets too much noise with the air conditioner, and it's hot, yeah. Well, let me show you. Well, this lock here, especially it's this lock, I only use for the Brompton also. You put it around and close it. Usually I put it when I leave in the hotel, do something else, you know. I always lock my Brompton in a hotel with this and this one. This very nice lock. It's made for disc brakes. See, you put in the disc brake and close it. So cool. And it's light, and it's hard to break it, you know. So it's a good lock. Locks usually are very heavy, so I try to carry things that are lighter. Okay, now let's start with the things that I always take also. This, it's a must. It's any wipe that can take the grease out. So when you're out in a trip, when you come back in a ride, just grab the chain and move it, so you take the most of the dirt out. still gonna have some dirt. And this alcohol swipes. COVID, we had to be prepared. These ones are not, neither this wipes, neither this wipes. There are baby wipes for girls to go to the restrooms, the loo, the toilet. It's always good to have. Another thing that I take always, it's oil. I always have to take oil because the chain is the heart of the bicycle. You have to take lots of care. Always look at it. Okay, this here I take in every ride that I do. Brazil, anyway, this is it's a kit. Extra mask, you know, COVID time. Always good to be prepared. I always carry other masks, but this one I keep it here in case I need it, something happened, I don't know. It's always good to have an extra one. I carry this here. So good. What I do is I get my camera, my GoPro, and put in like in a tray or something, and put the GoPro here so I can film from the tree, you know, from a higher angle. It's nice. Then I'll have chain link adapter if I want to pump my tires in a gas station. This here is like Gatorade but with no sugar in it. It's good to have. And a tripod. I put my camera here and a tripod. It works like this. Cool, right? And I take this tripod. This is also a tripod. And I pick this one. 3 of them. Well, I'm a photographer. I want to record the best images I can to show you. So I need to be prepared. I need to have options. Sometimes it's better to film from the top. Sometimes it's better to film from the bottom. It's nice to have 2 cameras, you know. I take this cell that's filming. I take this one. And I take the GoPro. So I have like 3 cameras. And with these 3 cameras, I do all the images and edit later on in the cellular phone. I use a KineMaster. It's very great and easy app to edit your films. And things that I do take, it's a light, you know. So it's a headlight, if you're like this. Sometimes you need to work in something, you know. I take a bag like this. I don't know why. I always take it, and rarely I use it, but I gotta take it. I gotta take with me. And this one is neat. It's a little thing, very light, almost no space. And when you open, this one sells in the Decathlon. I don't know if you have Decathlon in your country, but it's been to so many countries. And you have a little bag, a backpack. Small one, just carry. Sometimes you're going around and you remember to buy something or you have to carry something, so it's good to have a bag. Well, basically, that's it. If I do remember to take something else, I'll show you later. And if you do remember that there's something I should take it, please put in the comment, because I'm starting to pack in my things. Not done yet. And if you want to see the videos from the trips, we're gonna be a lot of small ones, big ones, short ones, long ones, right? It'll be a 2 weeks trip. Subscribe. Right there. Can you see me? There. Riding a bike, riding a Brompton. Yeah, just click on it. and you can subscribe. If you don't see that me riding a bike, down there, down in YouTube, there's a place called subscribe. Click on the subscribe, and right after you click it will be a little bell. Yes, this little bell tells you, notify you when the next video is out. So I don't have the right day and not the right time, and especially for those next 2 weeks, because I'll be traveling. So maybe I'll do a short video to show you something every time that I see something that's interesting, that it's beautiful, or something that I learned, I like to share with you. So it's a good idea if you got the little bell. See ya.